To do a make one left with your right needle, come behind and pick up the bar between stitches. The right leg of the bar will be in front and the left leg will be in back. Now put it up onto your left needle, keeping your right needle in the back, and knit one through the back loop. If you take a close look up at this twist here, you can see that the twist is going to the left and over the top. And so if you have problems remembering which is make one right or make one left, just remember that the twist of the make one left is going to go to the left. To do a make one right with your right needle, come from the front and pick up the bar between stitches. Place it on your left needle, and the right leg is going to be in back and the left leg is going to be in front. And this can be a little tricky. You're going to knit it so that you twist that stitch. And now if you take a look here, you can see that the top strand is twisting to the right. So if you have problems remembering, just remember in a make one left, over here you can see that strand is twisting to the left, and for a make one right, it's going to be twisting to the right.